Level 2, UW Platteville 2009. We're going to do problem number 4. Pull that to the top of the board. I'm going to blow it up so we can read it. If you want to pause and try it, you can. If log of base A of x equals 2 and log of base B x equals 6, what is log A B? All right. Let's start with that. You need some knowledge here that when you write a number to an exponent, you get log of that base, and that number is equal to L. Logs are a way to remove the exponent from the top into the base. And the easiest way I do it with students usually is to use numbers. We all know that 2 cubed equals 8. Well, how do you get the 3 down? Well, to get the 3 alone, we have to say, well, when you have a base of 2 and the result is 8, the exponent is 3. You have to know that about logs. It is something that we do at the end of Algebra 2 and Pre-Calc. So, I have these 2 statements. I personally can't think of those very well in terms of logs. So first thing I'd probably write is I might call it the log circle. I know a squared is equal to x. And I know that b to the 6th equals x. Well, I can see here right now that I have x equals x anytime I want. And I can change this x to a squared and this x to b to the 6th. Alright, well, if I take the square root of both sides, I see a is equal to b cubed. Well, now it comes back to writing this so I see it. Well, I want the result to be this, alright? So if I do the log circle right now, as it stands, I know that log b a has to be 3. That's not what it asked for. You got to be careful here. You got to look here and say, wait a minute. Because I just did the log circle. That's not what I want. So I have to back up. And I say, well, okay, if that didn't work, how do I get b by itself? Well, I'm sitting here, and I'm going to do this in green. Take the cube root, or raise each side to the 1/3 power, right? And I get a to the 3rd equals b. Now I can do the log circle again. I'll do it in black. Log base a results in b when the exponent is 1/3. And now I have it correct. And the answer to number 4 is 1/3. Again, junior, senior problem, a little bit harder. Some takes some more knowledge. Keep practicing.